47 degrees Celsius is Australia's new normal by Erica Doubleday. Background information. Rising temperatures and bushfires are occurring in the suburbs of Sydney. Australian people are used to the high temperatures because they have lived there, but not at the intensities that they experienced in January. Record temperatures made the Weather Service add 2 colors to their map to explain the heat. Worst part about it is temperature is projected to continue to increase. With a temperature increase, there has been an increase in bushfires, over 300,000 acres consumed already. The picture to the right shows the extreme temperature that is happening. The hottest temperature in the middle of the country can reach temperatures of 51 degrees Celsius. Why is this a problem? People living in the suburbs are going to have to move due to the bushfires. 47 degrees Celsius is 116 degrees Fahrenheit, which is drastically more than the average in the summer, being at 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. And this happened in January and still is continuing to reach higher temperatures. The mayor of Penrith, located near Sydney, understands that heat is an issue and advised people to stay inside. On the other hand, the country's administration is hostile to any important action being done on climate change. Even with the heat increasing, their minds aren't changing. This issue is happening in the suburbs, meaning people that will move probably will move to the coast, which could soon be affected by the sea level rise. The picture on the left shows the amount of warnings for fire that are in a small area of southern Australia. Blue means advice. Fire has started and stay alert. Yellow is watch and act. Heightened level of threat and start to take action. Red is emergency warning and the highest level of bushfire, which means danger, and action needs to be taken right away. How is this related to climate change? The bushfires are being caused by the overly hot, dry climate. There is also a lot of vegetation being burned, which can affect the humans selling and buying. Australian summers getting hotter is much more serious than a few hot days each year. It actually proves that the earth is warming. The increase in temperature is leading to bushfires, which is further increasing the warming of the earth because of the CO2 being released. 97 fires burning across the state in January, with 37 uncontained. Conditions were said to be worse than the 2009 Black Saturday fires, where 173 people were killed.
We have got reports across a number of the fire grounds, particularly those that are subject of emergency warning, that we are seeing property impacted, and we're expecting to see property lost.
Social impacts. People from Australia are getting sick. People reported not being able to take in water and throwing up. The mayor suggested that people don't go outside because the risk of getting burnt was too high. 40,000 homes in southern Australia experienced a blackout that started on February 7th and occurred until the 10th. There was a lack of air conditioning and shops across Sydney ran out of fans. Economic impacts. The towns with the outages have to prepare for the increased demand for power, which could cost money. The bushfires are causing a decrease in the crops being produced because they are being burnt down, which affects the families who own farms, and also a decrease in local produce. Firefighters are not only risking their lives to try and put these fires out, but they are having to be called in to help, which is more money for taxpayers. Costs of South Australia bushfires are estimated at $10 million. Farmers face dead livestock and ruined homes.